Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S53 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and then find the display. Now let's tap on advanced and here right under the wallpaper we've got the screen timeout. Here we've got some options from which we can choose, so we can set relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds or 1 to 5, 10 or 30 minutes, which are quite a long time to black out. What is more, at the top we've got the option never, which simply means that your device will never automatically black out. You will have to do it manually every time you want to lock it. So all you have to do in order to change the screen timeout is to tap on the option like to use, and I will pick 5 minutes for example, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So basically that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your CAT S53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.